funny, I don't think I ever learned anything new from that lady in all her UD presentation. Very nice, but pretty much regurgitated old stuff turned into new terminology. All goes back to Charles Lizotte and the things he was teaching back in the 70s and 80s down in New Hanover County. Effective schools movement, followed by other people who really canned it well, but basically repeated his ideas, some with the same name, some with a new name, but never really impressed with the learning focused, which was really a takeoff on his, but a lot of fluff. I remember after learning focused training at LHS, taking Dean Ivory in my office, because he was just like, oh my gosh, we just heard God. He just thought this was new stuff. I said, pull off that old green notebook off my shelf, the one with the torn edges. Had a vinyl covering, so you know how they tear up after 20-30 years. I said, open to section 2 and read some of the things I highlighted. He read it and said, F, this is what we just heard. I said, exactly. It was funny, because he was so excited I just bust his bubble, because there was nothing new. It was good stuff, but nothing new. I'm not sure there's been anything new, truly new, since the 70s.